So currently we are at the Japan pavilion, and now Devin got his weird hat. I don't know what.
My straw hat. You already
Your
know.
straw hat.
You already know. Straw hat pirates.
Now we're gonna get looks all day.
That's what I like, man. I like being noticed. I'm different.
Of course. It's good to be different.
Always. Let them stare. They admire me.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
Look what he's trying to buy now.
That's what they're doing.
He bought the hat. Look what he's trying to buy now.
Wooden sword.
A wooden sword. He wants to carry it around the whole park. I'm telling him no, but he's not
She's doing the
listening to me.
pickup thing. You have to. She's signing something for.
There's a pickup option.
I'm gonna talk to him about it.
Because there's no way you're gonna carry that throughout the park.
And I'm like,
for the rest
and
of the
then can you
day.
put a hold it, and you take a picture of my face, and you remember me when I come back.
He's crazy.
When it comes to anything 22 hours away on
You
the
look like
flight,
a psycho.
listen, call me what you want. Straw hat Luffy samurai style.
Update, he bought the sword.
Yep, I bought the sword.
Yeah, we have to pick it up later. Oh, look at this. I'm not hating. I support you, babe.
I hope so, because I support you always.
I support your crazy habits. And you support my makeup habits. Oh, I love this one. That's us.
Straw hat Dev. Back at it again.
What are we gonna do next?
Next, we're going to the ball, right? That's what's next? Or what?
Oh, we have to go to Mexico.
Oh, Mexico.
Okay, so Mexico is next.
I mean,
Beverly.
that's the one?
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like anything.
It didn't taste, really?
Oh, it has a weird aftertaste.
Wait, let me try, let me try.
The after, like the beginning,
It smells really good.
the beginning, it was good. And that aftertaste. Ew.
Nasty. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Yeah.
No, I'm done.
I told you.
Oh my, that's nasty. Okay. You want to try another one?
Yeah. Oh, it's so dry and it's.
Yeah, it's, oh my gosh. What is it from? It's from Italy.
That's your country.
Ugh. Oh my god, it's like my throat.
I know.
Okay, you have to try another one.
Okay.
Because I can't, I have diabetes. But you got this.
I might just drink some Inca Cola.
Ah, oh my god, it's stuck in my
It's stuck in my whole
Oh my God,
mouth.
it's so nasty.
I didn't get to swallow. I just tasted it on my tongue. It was nasty. Yo.
Which one?
Which one? Well, I know what this tastes
For real?
like. That's good. This is good.
Is it better?
It's really good. I love
Really?
Inca Cola is good.
I have to take like the tiniest sip.
Nah, Inca Cola is good. I like Inca Cola.
Oh yeah, it's good. That's good.
Yeah, I used to get that from the store
You
sometimes.
have to try Japan.
I know I have
Your
to.
favorite place.
Vegabetto, what? It's, oh, that's a lot.
Wasn't on purpose, wait.
Yo, that's good.
Really?
It's not soda. It's apricot and passion fruit juice. Try it. This honestly is really good. I think it's like the best one we had. The best one I've had. Nice, fruity to its juice.
You want to finish it?
Nah, I want to try something else.
What else? Try Greece.
That's Fanta.
I know, but we'll try this one.
That's pineapple. I
Italy.
love pineapple.
We tried Italy. Damn.
Fanta pineapple is good.
I'll be the first to try this one. Oh, it smells like lemon here. Oh, pineapple. Lemon.
It's Fanta.
Oh, it's good. I'm just nervous. Damn. You liked it that much?
I love pineapple soda. Love it.
Zimbabwe.
The strawberry and cream. It's pretty good. It's like a little light strawberry.
Yeah.
There you
My
go.
blood sugar's gonna like go to 400 now. What else? What else? Brazil.
I don't know if I want to go to Brazil. I don't know what this tastes like. It's good. I don't know what a guana berry is.
Yeah, I don't know what that is either.
No, it's not bad. You want to take a little, like, get your taste it, like, dip your tongue in it.
Dip my tongue in it? I just said that.
You just noticed that? Yeah, it's not bad. I just don't know what it tastes
The
like.
cup is getting like mad soggy.
That's probably because of that. That shit was like probably like acid.
Yeah, this is the nastiest. We tried this one. Did we try this one?
No, we haven't yet.
Okay, so we tried
So,
this one.
not good. Amazing. Don't know. That was pretty good. Don't know. That was okay. I already know what that tastes
That's
like, of
good.
course. And the Fanta, I know what
Okay,
it
so we have
tastes
to
like.
try which one? This one?
This
Oh,
one?
no, this one.
And this one.
Okay. Let's get a new cup.
Here, right here. So, now we are going. That looks crazy. Well, it smells like it's going to be amazing. Right?
It's good.
It's melon. I'm sorry, man. Go ahead. That tastes good. Nice and it's weird, but
It's so weird.
but I like it. It's melon.
Yeah.
Now, what you're gonna taste first is Bibo.
Bibo?
Yep.
Did we just try Bibo?
And we tried vegetarian. We tried Kuat from Brazil.
It's good.
Good. It's like a
weird,
guava kind of fruit, like.
yeah, like it tastes good. I can't explain it, but it's good. Okay, so they're all good except for Beverly, which I already knew prior to coming here. So.
You set me up.
I definitely did.
I know you did. She tasted it too, so it don't matter.
Hi everybody, so we just walked into our room and I am going to show you an overview of the room. So we are at the Beach and Yacht Club, and this is a 1-bedroom villa, and yeah, so I'm gonna just take you guys along and show you everything. So to start off, right when you walk in, here's the door. Right when you walk in, here's a mirror and a little table. So then, this is so adorable. I love this. Did you see this? How cute this is? Okay, if I had a house, that's how my setup would be. Look how cute this is. I love that. And then like the window, it's supposed to look like a window, but it's like a mirror. That's so cute.
Because I was walking this way at first, and I was like, is that the room? And I looked, I'm like, ain't no shit right there.
Okay, so now this is, oh my god, this is so like luxurious. I can't handle it. So this is like the sink and the kitchen area. Just a little overview of it. Our fridge. So here's the couch, table. This is cute too. And the TV is huge. This. And then our balcony. We don't have much of a view. That's just trees and grass and other villas. So walk back in.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. What else? What else? I love this. This is so cute. Okay, so now walking in here. Here's the toilet. And the shower. Sink. So the bellman just came and he what?
Built in to this.
What is it?
Charger, like just a USB.
Oh.
And then the regular
Fancy.
chargers. Hell yeah.
Okay, so we walked out of the bathroom. Bellhop came. Now we are in this bathroom. What is this?
A tub room.
Oh, tub room. So here's the tub and the sink and me. Here's a closet. And here's the bedrooms. And it's just gonna be me and Devin in here. And it's only for one night, unfortunately. There's a desk, a little chair. But yeah, it's just gonna be me and Devin. And it's only for one night. So I'm excited about it, but kind of sad because I wish we could stay longer, but we'll see. My dad's supposedly gonna call and try to get us more time, but if not, back to grandma's, which isn't a bad thing, but it's not a bad thing. It's comfortable. Oh my god, we are sleeping on a pull-out mattress, so this is like an upgrade.
This is heaven.
So yeah, what are we gonna do next?
Next,
We're gonna go back to the parks.
Get something to eat.
We're gonna eat probably in China, or was it Japan?
It was China.
China. So we're gonna go back and eat in China.
I kind of want to get some ramen.
Ramen, yeah. I smelled something really good in China. I don't know what it was.
The food smelled amazing.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
did.
we walked past and it was just like, I was like, yeah, we gotta come back over here and eat because it just smelled too good.
Yeah.
Far better than anything I've smelled up north. So
Seriously. Yeah, so we're gonna go back and then we're gonna go on. We have how many fast passes? 2 fast passes, one for Soarin' and one for Mission to Space. So I'm not really happy about that, but
she doesn't like, she's scared of Mission to Space.
I always hear people get sick on it, so it makes me nervous. So
Like I said a couple days ago, we got on the front row of the Nitro. We can do anything. Except for those things that throw us in the air. I ain't off that.
Nitro. Nitro's from Six Flags.
Yeah.
But, yeah. So, next thing I do, I'll make sure to vlog it. So, stay tuned.
Let's go orange. I don't want to waste a fast pass. Unless you want to do green, wait 10 minutes, and then do the orange.
Oh, I'm not doing this 2 times.
Why not? Get the best of both worlds, babe. Alright, so we're just gonna do orange then, alright?
Oh my god.
You had me sitting in the front row.
I'm nervous to the point where like my stomach is like going crazy. I'm scared. So we just got off Mission to Space. It was really intense and I kind of feel weird.
So, this is Devin on the blog. She's about to order her first drink, being 21. And we're highly excited to see.
Hi, can I get a sangria?
Tell them 2, babe. Tell them 2 sangrias.
Oh, can I have 2 sangrias? 2?
I hope I got it good. It's like...
I just ordered my first drink.
Sorry, YouTube. My recording sucks, so... My recordings... I don't know. I'm just not a good camcorder. I'm not good with it.
I'm not good at it either.
I always get distracted. Thank you. And there's our drinks.
Did you guys show?
Yeah. Straw. And that. So, time to drink. So good. So good.